Hi guys, this is Puneet and you are watching PS Talk. Today we are going to unbox Mi earphones basic. So today we have Mi earphones. Let's see its box package, how it looks and feels. Well, in the back you can see there are just label, seal and something written on the back. In the right side there is just Mi branding. On the bottom there are some communication things, and in the top you can see its type and weight and all other types of things. Let's start unboxing. Let me just open the seal and let's see how it looks. After opening you can see there is a flap. Let's open that. After opening it you can see we have extra set of earbuds. Let's keep it aside. And what is here? Yeah, it is the headphones. Oh, it is opened like let me just remove this packaging. Okay, let's see, we have earphones over here, so let me just quickly open them. Oh, they have really large earphones. Well, yeah, I have now. Here you can see I have black color earphones and they look pretty nice. Well, the quality which I feel is really good. I bought them around 400 rupees and yeah, quality is really nice. Let me just focus on them. They looks amazing. As you can see on the right side earphone, it is a R over there, and for a left side there is a L on the top. They are made up of aluminum, feel like good. And here it is. Here it's headphone jack and it is gold plated as they mentioned, and I don't know about that. I have never tested it. And something like for warranty only, for warranty purpose and something. And on the back they have Mi branding. It is on 90 angle, so I think it will be good. And here we have mic and push button for for call receiving and pause and play the music. Let me just focus on the video. As you can see, the quality is really good. And let me open these earbuds. I think there is 2 extra sets. It is really tough to open these earbuds. Well, let's just use something. Give me a sec. Yeah, now we have them. So here we have 2 sets of earbuds. Come out. Yeah. So as you can see, the maximum size and the smaller size, and we have already using the medium size in the earphone. Well, that's all for this video. If you like them, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Well, thanks for watching.